Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to activate Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to activate the Twitch, you just simply have to open any of the browser into your device where you want to activate your Twitch. Then after opening the browser, just simply search for activate Twitch, and then this twitch.tv/activate link will appear. Just simply tap into that link, and then you just simply have to enter the code into this box from the other device where the Twitch account is activated. Then just simply enter the code and click to activate. Then your account will successfully be activated into this device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.